In this video, we'll go over how to set up and use QuickBooks Online in the Envase TMS. To note, the current QuickBooks integration is only available for QuickBooks Online. It will not work for QuickBooks Desktop or other versions. To begin, click on QuickBooks from the left navigation menu. From here, click on Connect to QuickBooks Online and enter your email and password. Once you've signed into your QuickBooks Online account, click on the Connect button. After you've successfully connected your QuickBooks Online account to the Envase TMS, you will be brought to the Configure section. From here, you have the option to select the earliest transaction date. If you choose not to enter a date, the system will pull all transactions recorded in the TMS, regardless of date. Next, you'll need to start mapping the revenue items from the TMS to QuickBooks Online. To do this, click on Add and select which local revenue item will be mapped to the QuickBooks revenue item. To note, the local revenue items will only be displayed if they have been used in an order or invoice. Once you've finished adding and mapping the revenue items, click on the Sync tab. From here, the system will automatically check if the customer exists in QuickBooks. Keep in mind, the customer's name must be identical in both the TMS and QuickBooks Online, otherwise, the system will create a new customer. From the Sync section, you have the option to omit invoices from syncing by toggling invoices on or off. You can also suppress the invoice from syncing by clicking on the Suppress button. However, keep in mind when you suppress the transaction, this will hide the transaction from all future syncs and cannot be undone. Once you've confirmed that the transactions are ready to sync to QuickBooks Online, click on the Sync button. Now that you've successfully integrated QuickBooks Online to your TMS, there are some things to keep in mind. The QuickBooks connection will only last 1 hour. After that, you will be required to re-enter your QuickBooks Online credentials. In addition, when you leave the Configure tab, the Sync tab, or the QuickBooks section of the TMS, you will need to click on Connect to QuickBooks Online to regain access to the Configure and Sync tab. And with that, we've covered how to set up and use the QuickBooks Online integration. For more information, check out our other training videos or visit our website.